Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the connection delays in the RegioJet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the Travel section, click on the Connection Delays button. And as you can see, you can search for the station that you're interested in, and then just click on the refresh button, and you will be able to see the departures as well as the arrivals as well, and the optional delays. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.